Technological development is a process in which the application of new knowledge related to technology has visible practical results. Technologies such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, crypto assets, and metaverse are typical examples of technology investment in the capital markets. But what is the view of the Islamic perspective on it?
What is AI? According to capital market, AI can analyze the vast amount of financial data such as patterns, predict market trends, and optimize investment strategy. In the economy and financial sectors, AI technology helps online shopping, making the buying and selling process easier, trading stocks, and managing logistic merchandise efficiently. What we need to know is AI system only depend on algorithm to function and learn how to act from the data provided. However, the development of algorithm is worried and will producing unfair and biased outputs. Therefore, the Sharia issue arise in this element. This is because the available data has biased elements and is invalid. For example, bias in Islamic financing approval occurs nowadays. If the available data has biased element, so this would result in unequal access to financing. Move on to blockchain. What is blockchain? Blockchain is a complex mathematical function to create a secure and definitive record of who owns what and wants. Why is it revolutionary? First, because of decentralizing trust. Second, including bank insurance, healthcare, social interactions, and supply chain. And lastly, connecting every network of services. Let's see what is the differences between contract with and without blockchain that are used in Islamic capital market nowadays. As you can see, smart contract could be very efficient. However, there is Sharia issue could arise, which is the transparency. Therefore, this contract should clarify all the process because blockchain is a digital system that spread out, control, and remove middlemen. Thus, this technology process need to be looked at from time to time to avoid bias and injustice to users and customers.
Next one is about crypto assets. Crypto assets is a digital asset that is exchanged over something called a blockchain from one consumer to another, and it is not backed by any bank or authority. As we all know, cryptocurrency is the most well-known type of crypto asset. But the question right now is cryptocurrency permissible in Islam or not? The majority of Sharia scholars have viewed cryptocurrency as impermissible from a Sharia perspective. For example, the scholars said cryptocurrency do not qualify to be money as they have no intrinsic value, have an anonymous holder, and it is not regulated by the government. There is also a fatwa issued on the impermissibility of cryptocurrency by justifying that it has elements of uncertainty, gambling, and harm. On the other hand, some scholars have also considered them as Sharia compliant. For example, according to the Sharia Advisory Council of Malaysia, cryptocurrency do not contain gharar but khatar. Khatar is a form of risk that investors expect when investing.
We move to our last component of our discussion, which is metaverse. So metaverse is a set of virtual spaces where you can create and explore with other people who are not in the same physical space as you. There are some characteristics of metaverse which are massively scaled. It means that the platform is as big and diverse as the real world. Persistent, it's always on and accessible to all users across the world. Three-dimensional characteristic means that without 3D capabilities, the metaverse itself would just be same as the internet nowadays. And the last one is virtual worlds. It means that it is a computer-generated environment. When it comes to permissibility issues, the general concept of metaverse is permissible according to multiple Islamic scholarly sources. According to Mufti Meng, a globally well-known Islamic scholar, any form of social communication is permitted in Islam. However, there are always some content in this space that can go against the Islamic value and principle. Thus, every Muslim has their own responsibilities to engage in value-driven and meaningful experiences that are aligned with the Sharia in any types of space and platform. In conclusion, the evolving of the technology advancements is very fast. The Muslims needs to be proactive, and the importance of the fiqh knowledge is really crucial in order for them to adapt and address with the new arising issues in the real world.